snowing in New Mexico. Want to catch the last of the season with fresh snow? Here's how to put together your last-minute ski trip. Number 1, decide on your destination. Angel Fire, Red River, and Taos are all about a 12-hour drive from Central Texas. Totally doable for a long weekend. We recommend checking out SkiNewMexico.com for lift tickets and lodging options. Number 2, come into MarineMax Sail and Ski and reserve your rental gear. We rent jackets, pants, skis, and snowboards for the entire family, and our rental inventory is new and fresh. This is a super affordable, turnkey way to outfit the whole crew. Number 3, shop our spring break sale. Find big discounts on all the other gear you need for the mountain. Thermals, after ski boots, goggles, helmets, and more. Our experts are here to help you make the most of your trip. Spend more time on the mountain and less time dealing with long lines at busy mountain ski shops. See you on the slopes.